Welcome, today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to disable the ringtone volume on this device. So first way, just go to the settings and here tap to the sound section. Now as can you see, we got here the ringtone volume section. Just swipe this dot to the left side with your finger and that's it. Also we got the second way. Just here you have to switch the use volume buttons to adjust to the ringtone one, and now if you'll just here tap on the down volume button, you can just disable your ringtone volume. And also we got the third way how you can do that. Just here tap one from these volume buttons on the left, down, or to the up volume buttons, it doesn't matter, and go to the settings icon. And here as can you see, we got the our volumes, media volumes, ringtone notification, and ringtone volume. And just here swipe with your finger to the down to turn off your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.